Avalanche is a crypto with one of the fastest smart contract platforms in terms of time to finality, and it has the most validators securing its activity of any proof of stake protocol. Avalanche is lightning quick, low cost, and environmentally friendly. On Avalanche, any smart contract enabled application can surpass its competitors. And best of all, Avalanche confirms transactions in under a second and is compatible with the whole Ethereum developer toolkit. Above all this, the price of Avalanche has been going up heaps lately. Currently trading at around $45. The crypto is up almost 500% since mid-July. G'day everyone, this is Harry Axe. In today's video, we are deep diving into Avalanche, AVAX. So what exactly is Avalanche? Avalanche is a unique blockchain network with transaction times of less than a second and cheap costs. The project was founded by Ava Labs, a firm managed by Cornell academic Emin Gun-Syra, and deployed its mainnet in September 2020. Following an $18 million investment from prominent investment firms such as Andreessen Horowitz and Polychain Capital, the project raised another $42 million in less than 4.5 hours with the public launch of its AVAX token in July 2020, with a stated goal of outperforming ETH 2.0 in terms of throughput and latency. Since the launch, the platform has secured over 100 different projects, 1.4 million of AVAX burnt, reducing its supply, 950 plus individual block producing validators, and over 500,000 community members from all over the world. And that number is probably a lot higher with the recent spike in Avalanche's price. Who are the founders of Avalanche? Ava Labs is the company behind Avalanche. The Avalanche platform has over 30 founders. The Avalanche platform was primarily built by Turkish computer scientist Professor Dr. Emin Gun-Syra, utilizing a unique consensus process. Syra has long been interested in Bitcoin scaling, and the Avalanche consensus is a direct result of his research, permitting substantially bigger transaction volumes than Bitcoin and competing with the likes of Visa. Fellow co-founders Kevin Seknicki and Malfin Ted Yin, like Syra, have ties to Cornell University, while the remaining members of the team are experts in computer science, economics, finance, and law. How does Avalanche work? The Avalanche network is made up of many blockchains and employs a new proof-of-stake consensus technique to achieve high throughput with over 4,500 transactions per second projected. According to Avalanche, its consensus protocol combines the advantages of Nakamoto consensus, robustness, size, and decentralization, and classical consensus, speed, swift finality, and energy efficiency, to produce a new consensus engine. Furthermore, each chain in the Avalanche model is a discrete virtual machine instance with support for multiple custom virtual machines such as EVM and WASM, allowing chains to have use case specific capabilities. Each of these virtual machines is deployed on a subnet, which is a custom blockchain network made up of a dynamic set of validators working together to achieve consensus on the state of a set of blockchain. In other words, each subnet has its own set of incentive mechanisms to ensure validators stay honest. Are you enjoying this video? If so, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in future. Let's get back into Avalanche. So what makes Avalanche unique? It's not the long-term suitability or price that distinguishes Avalanche, but the network plays a significant part. Avalanche offers decentralized asset trading that anyone can establish and utilize, and it does so with a network that is unique in the digital arena in that it allows sub-second transaction confirmations. Developers hope to combine the fast, fragmented, and frequently opaque world of asset trading under one roof, providing for barrier-free access. Developers can construct and distribute any type of entity from blockchains to digital representations of any asset and allow them to trade based on any set of conditions. These include, for example, simulating compliance regulations in different jurisdictions. How is the Avalanche network secured? The Avalanche system is a proof-of-stake technology that compensates users for staking currency. Proof-of-stake networks have come under scrutiny for their low attack cost, which has shown several vulnerabilities in some circumstances. Avalanche, according to Ava Labs, gets around this by modifying governance, making it nearly impossible for an attacker to obtain the requisite consensus secretly. So what is the Avalanche AVAX token? The Avalanche platform launched AVAX as a token to secure the blockchain network, pay for operating fees, transfer value among peers, and construct new networks on the Avalanche platform. Avalanche Coin is also the first smart contract platform that can verify transactions in less than 1 second and supports all Ethereum development tools. Avalanche was developed as a token with a restricted supply. The total supply is 360 million tokens with a maximum supply of 720 million tokens. As the system continues to issue additional tokens until it hits its maximum capacity, various transaction fees will be incurred. Where can you buy Avalanche token? Avalanche has gained a lot of popularity in the last few weeks, so Avalanche can be bought on most major exchanges, such as Binance, Huobi Global, KuCoin, Gate.io, Bitfinex, OKX, WazirX, and OKCoin. Avalanche's partners. Avalanche's ecosystem is developing fast, and they've collaborated with over 270 projects. Some of these partnerships are as follows: 420 Swap, an NFT marketplace; AVAX Jewels, a decentralized jewel on the Avalanche network; Abstract Ventures, a San Francisco-based seed investor; and AnySwap, which integrates Avalanche as part of its cross-chain asset bridge. These are just but a few of the many partnerships that Avalanche has developed and is developing. If you want to check out more, check out avaxprojects.com. Avalanche's current price. As you can see here, the current price is around $44 with a market cap of almost $8 billion and a fully diluted market cap of almost $33 billion. We can see on the chart here that Avalanche hit a peak of almost $59 back in February before coming down to around 30s to 40s, dropped off when we had that crash in May, but has quickly shot back up into the $50 range in these last couple of weeks. And you can just see the trading volume has been immense. Avalanche price predictions. From various sources, the Avalanche price is expected to hit the $75 mark by 2022, assuming we don't go into a bear market. Furthermore, it's also expected from some sources that the Avalanche price may hit the $250 mark by 2026. Avalanche is a project that has a lot going for it, and it is a cryptocurrency you should be adding to your watch lists, ready to buy when it comes down to an attractive price. One thing I forgot to mention was NFTs on Avalanche. Some have been launched already, and there's a few being launched in the next few days. If you are thinking of buying Avalanche, make sure to check the performance of those NFTs to see if people are utilizing it. That said, keen to know all your thoughts in the comments. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.